What is the difference between a first-party special needs trust and a third-party special needs trust? Good question. It really relates to who's creating the trust. In a first-party special needs trust, the person with the special need or the one who's disabled is creating the trust. This is typically done when someone is disabled from a car accident or something like that, where they sue and they're entitled to a settlement. That settlement money is often put into a trust created by the court or parent for that disabled beneficiary, but it's funded with the disabled beneficiary's money. That requires that upon the death of the disabled beneficiary, whatever is left in that trust must be paid back to the government to reimburse them for anything they've paid on your behalf during your lifetime. If you didn't spend it all, then the balance could go to your family members. On the contrary, a third-party special needs trust is created by someone other than the beneficiary. This is typically a parent or a grandparent, an aunt or an uncle, and they set up the trust for their disabled loved one, but there is no requirement to pay back anything after the disabled beneficiary dies. Why? Because the money being funded into that trust is not the disabled beneficiaries. It's the third party who created it. So, depending upon who's creating the trust determines whether it's a first party or third party and whether there's a payback required or not.